to watch the flowers, stop to watch them grow. 'Cause all of your minutes and hours will soon be gone. And one day you'll pick up your children for the very, very last time. So open your heart and fill it with the light. Before the moment turns into nostalgia, before the bones in our bodies grow old, before we turn back to stars, let me hold you before it's gone, before it's all gone, before it's gone, before it's all gone, before it's gone. Time never stops, not for no one. A minute we're here, then we're not. So hold on to times that are golden before they're gone. Before the moment turns into nostalgia, before the bones in our bodies grow old, before we turn back to stars, let me hold you before it's gone, before it's all gone, before it's gone, before it's all gone, before it's gone. Another year on, happy birthday. Another journey round the sun. So hold on to ones that are golden before they're gone.
This dance is called Before It's Gone, choreographed by Gary O'Reilly and Maggie Gallagher. It's a 16-count, 4-wall, intermediate level rolling count line dance. No tags or restarts in this dance. Section 1. Starting with the left foot forward, open body to the left diagonal, drag your right foot forward facing 12, step left foot forward, pivot 3/8 to your right facing 430, left foot forward, point right foot to the side, hold. Right foot behind, quarter turn left, side rock recover facing 130, left foot back, hook your right, 1/8 right foot forward facing 3 o'clock, full turn to your right, half turn right back, half turn right forward. Left foot, rock forward, raise both arms up, palms facing up, recover, sweep your left, lower both arms down, palms facing down. Section 2, left foot, sailor step, right foot behind, quarter turn left foot forward, right foot forward facing 12, left foot forward, hit your right, make a quarter turn to your left facing 9, right foot cross, quarter turn right, left foot back, quarter turn right foot together facing 3, left foot side and sway to your left, right, step left foot forward, hitch right knee forward, right foot back, left foot, rock back, recover. Now you're facing 3 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with a count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3. 4 and a 5, 6, 7, 8 and a. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.